Huh? Where am I? What? Kexetior? It can't be. No! Kexetior and Isabel freed me from the LMK prison, and I'm back, and you'll be my target. What? No! I would never work for you, Kexetior. You killed my friends. I killed you. You think you could stand a chance? I don't think so. I won last time. No, you didn't. I won. Doesn't really matter. Take a talk, kostas. Which one is gonna be? No, I will never kill you. Too bad you're not moving. What? I can't move. It's time for you to die. No! Stay away! Stay away! No! No! You're not kidnapping Kostas this time, Kexetior. Oh my god, thank you so much, friends. It's Daddy the Hedgehog, but you're welcome. So, Kostas, it's been a while. What have you been doing? I don't really know, actually. Wait, so what about the Kexetior? How did he get out? The Kexetior helped him out. I don't understand why, but I guess they're Team EXE. That's what I did. I made a video of it. You were in it. Oh my god, thank you, George. I'll subscribe to you no time. It's nothing. You wanna be in our team? Sure. We're gonna make an upgrade review. You know about this green thing on my head? Yeah. I'm gonna make it on your head. I think we're gonna have to change the shoes. Okay. You're gonna be in our channel in no time. Wait, what? Yay! Okay, see you around. Okay.